Welcome to my world. Normally I film in the morning, but I'm doing an afternoon clip. Laundry is done for the day, and right now I am sorting, getting it all ready to get placed into people's bedrooms. I like to put the socks in a pile, I put my rags in a pile, my tea towels in a separate pile, so on and so forth. And usually my husband's clothes are already put away, but these just came up from the dryer, and we have towels, bath towels, and rags, including some of his clothes. We do laundry every other day, and this is just a way I stay organized. I tried to do the green basket right away, but as you can see I have the white one because it just came upstairs. I'm going to go ahead and fold my husband's things, and then he'll put them away. Making sure all the socks are going to have a mate. We usually have a 99% accuracy when it comes to putting socks away and having them paired. I have a special Dollar Tree bin that holds all the rags for cleaning. It saves you money when you're not using wipes all the time and paper towels. We do things old-fashionedly. Dinner is heat and eat tonight. We get the laundry put away. Then we're going to take care of the dishes in the sink. I made some healthy air fryer tuna burgers. There'll be a video on this. And it looks like we have all the socks. Quick little motivation short for you to get your tasks done. My kid loves their anime socks of their favorite character. Now clothes will be coming up last, like shorts, dresses, tank tops. It is summertime. They're washed separately from undergarments and towels. After we take care of the pile of socks, they're going to be distributed among the family members. Jacqueline is out for the afternoon after school at a friend's house. My oldest is going to a dance in a few hours. They'll get ready for that. Showed me their cap and gown for graduating the 24th. I'm so excited. They were featured on Channel 10 and Channel 9 for Student Spotlight. Such an honor. My husband has 2 pairs of socks because we do laundry every other day. And probably, there it is, mismatch. Jacqueline likes a mismatch sometimes. Those are Jacqueline's. My undergarments, tea towels, rags, teens, bath towels, and my husband's. Just a few utensils to put away. The can opener goes up in the top drawer. Put away my plate and set aside the blender and wash up a little bit of dishes. wash up these dishes. We go to Fast Play for this because it's redundant with a lot of little items here other than the air fryer itself. Wash the tray. It's in the inside of the air fryer. Scrubbing it well. I did some tuna burgers with cheese, and I want to make sure all the cheese is gone. They're going to take care of the rest of the dishes and put the soda can in the recycle bag on the back porch and wipe down the sink. They're done, and I emptied out the food catchers, wiped out the sink, and it's ready for a snack later tonight. Towels put away, and hand my team their clothes and socks. So they have them. And since my tween is out, I will be taking care of that myself. Wow, they had a lot of socks. Wonder why. Probably because of dance and band and everything. And I'll get the towels put away and everything else. I'm going to get these put away. That is it for this short. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me. Don't forget, when we get to 1,500, we issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. We're looking for 15 more people to give out 5 items price pack from the Dollar Tree, valued at $6.25. If you're new, you must comment and let me know that you're new so I know you're new to win a gift card. You have to be a U.S. resident and subscribed. All my others that have been around for a long time know they need to be a U.S. resident and subscribed. If they've won in the past 60 days, they're not qualified. They have to wait out that time period. If you don't answer me within 2 business days, this applies to everybody, you'll be disqualified. If it's something extreme, give me an email, countryboots1268@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching.